Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Duolingo public. Taking a company public, through an initial public offering or IPO, is a complex but transformative process. It allows a private entity to offer its shares for sale to the general public for the very first time. This move can generate hundreds of millions, or even billions, of dollars in capital, fueling massive growth and providing a clear exit strategy for initial investors and founders. It is a monumental step for any successful private company. Before even considering an IPO, a company like Duolingo must undergo rigorous internal preparation. This involves meticulously auditing financial statements for several years and establishing strong governance structures. Legal and compliance teams work tirelessly to draft the voluminous S1 registration statement, which can be hundreds of pages long, detailing every aspect of the business. Building a highly experienced management team and an independent board of directors is also crucial to instill trust in potential public investors. Once prepared, the execution phase begins with selecting one or more reputable investment banks to serve as underwriters. These banks guide the company through the entire process, including pricing the shares. The S1 registration statement is then officially filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, becoming publicly available. Following this, the management team embarks on a multi-week roadshow, presenting to hundreds of potential institutional investors to generate interest and gauge demand for the shares. Becoming a public company marks a significant transition, bringing new responsibilities and opportunities. Duolingo would now face continuous reporting obligations to the Securities and Exchange Commission, including quarterly and annual financial statements. Maintaining transparent and effective communication with shareholders and the broader investment community becomes paramount for market confidence. Management must skillfully navigate the balance between achieving long-term strategic goals and meeting the short-term expectations of public investors, a constant challenge for any publicly traded entity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.